Alicia. I am a fashion, beauty, and lifestyle enthusiast. If any of these things resonate with you, please feel free to stick around. On today's video, I'm going to be going over some holiday gift guides that are sure to assist you in your holiday shopping and kind of give you a broad idea of what to get. I would say the super feminine girl or woman in your life. So, during the holidays, specifically if I want to shop for the super girly girl in my life, I always go with my I always go with my fail proof items, which are usually beauty products. And that tends to range around perfumes, makeup, gift cards to Sephora or Ulta, or anywhere that they can easily shop around for the necessities that they need, whether it is a gift card to a spa, a gift card to the nail salon. So I always think about the idea of gifting self-care items. I think that it is useful. It's something that can be used year round. So they make perfect stocking stuffers. And the price range doesn't have to be too steep. Anything that's between 25 and 50, I think is reasonable, as long as they're able to utilize it. And I think that's the best thing, specifically shopping for holiday gifts, specifically gift cards. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the first item that I think would be a great gift under the tree for the super feminine girl in your life. The first gift would be some perfume. I decided to go with Mugler, the Goddess line. I think this particular perfume is super fresh. I love the scent. It's not too strong, but it definitely has a lasting scent that I think any woman would enjoy. And this particular gift set comes with the smaller bottle that you can carry with you and put it in your handbag. Yes, and the price range is pretty affordable. It is less than $100, and this would make a beautiful gift for the holidays. The next one would be Lake and Skye. So this particular one is a unisex scent. It's called Echo Lake, and it is affordable. This can be found at Ulta, and this perfume is described as being bright, optimistic, a nice balance of floral and woody notes of bergamot, juniper, and sandalwood. This particular fragrance here, it's unisex, and on the first try, I would say that it's pretty crisp. It has some sort of like pepper scent that I'm picking up, and on the dry down, you definitely get the woodsy smell. So it is a beautiful scent to have or to spray on during the fall and winter months. So if you haven't tried Echo Lake, let me know if you do end up trying it out, and let me know how you like it. Again, this would make a beautiful stocking stuffer holidays. The next one is a beauty counter set that is a body wash duo. I thought this was pretty affordable. It is a clean line, so this one here is an overnight resurfacing body peel, and the other one is a tightening boost body serum. So this looks like it is a body wash and a body lotion, and it's a clean line. Beauty counter is sold at Sephora, so if you can get your hands on this, this would make a beautiful gift for the special woman in your life. The next, still in the beauty realm, but it is hair products. So this would be a cute little stocking stuffer um, for your hair. This is the Olaplex starter kit. So if the woman in your life hasn't tried it out yet, this is amazing. Olaplex has had some amazing reviews for repairing any damaged hair and just providing smoother, shinier hair for everyone. So Olaplex is known to work on all hair types. So if you haven't tried Olaplex yet, go ahead and give it a try. A lot of stylists actually rave about this. Between Olaplex and the K18, if you'd like to gift the woman in your life anything that ranges between beauty, and I think hair care falls under that, this would be a great stocking stuff. It wouldn't be right if I didn't move on to a handbag selection. So this particular handbag here I came across at Marshall's. I thought it was a beautiful, beautiful red that would complement any woman, and I love the silver hardware and just the particular silhouette of this handbag. I thought was different and unique. It does come with a nice long strap that has about 5 holes in there. So this particular handbag here is gorgeous. It has silver hardware. I chose this bag because I love the color red, and it's in season at the moment, and this would be a beautiful option for any woman in your life. It is unique. It is a genuine leather handbag with silver hardware. I don't have this particular style in my wardrobe, so I thought it would be a great addition to add, especially during the holiday season. And I could wear this 2 different ways. I could wear it under the arm as such, and I love the feet on this too. This is a beautiful quality handbag that a special woman in your life would absolutely love. I found this gem at Marshall's, and this is a genuine leather Italian handbag by, what's the name of the brand? It's called Viola Castellani. Viola Castellani. I thought this was a beautiful bag. It's super unique. Love that it has feet. And again, right, it has the silver hardware, which silver and red, you wouldn't think to pick that up, but I'm going to give it a try during the holiday season. I think it's super cute. I mean, look at this. Let me know what you guys think. And then last but not least, I had to get something that would match my beautiful handbag. And I came across these red kicks, and they are some New Balances. I found them in the men's section. Don't sleep on the men's section when you guys go out shopping, specifically like at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. If you're able to find there are some pretty good gems in the men's section too. So anyway, these were in the men's section, and they fit, and they were pretty decent price, and I am a New Balance girly, so I thought these would be super cute. I thought these would be super cute with my new handbag. Anyway, that is all I have for now for the holiday gift guide. Let me know what you guys like or enjoyed. If you would try out any of my recommendations, let me know. Make sure you leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You know, all the good things. All right. Bye.